Oh, hey everybody, how are you all doing? I was about to eat that burger, but you know what? We'll save that to the end. Welcome to another episode of our daily BOSH videos. Today we're busy cooking, even though it may look like I'm just eating a burger. We're actually cooking. So instead of doing a big vlog, we're gonna take you back in time when we went to LA. In fact, Facebook flew us to LA to go to the creator conference, and we ate the Impossible Burger, we saw a gorgeous ranch in Malibu, and had the best time ever. Check this out. Morning everybody, hope you are great. It is a gorgeous day here in Malibu, I think, just outside of LA. Ian and I have come to the Facebook Creator Conference. We don't really know what to expect today. There's going to be a load of people from Facebook telling us cool things to do with Facebook, I guess, and we'll keep you posted all the way through. Got your badge yet, mate?
No badges yet, but it's coming. I'm almost in the front of the queue now.
How many times have you had to go in a new queue?
Twice.
Okay, good news. We have our badges.
After much waited. Look, pink is the colour of the day, except my lanyard, they'd run out of pink.
Hello, mate. There's another creator over there.
Oh, new friend! Oh, friend! Please be my friend. First thing that we have to do now, though, is eat breakfast, which is bloody good news.
Let's go through the beautiful flowery tunnel, grab some food. What does this flowery tunnel make you think of, mate?
It makes me think of the seaside when you have one of those things that you stick in the sand and it spins, the red, yellow, blue ones. You know the one?
Like a kind of swirly thing.
Yeah, like the, it also reminds me of Quality Street.
Or being inside a giant wave. Look who it is, it's Eco Vegan Girl, how you doing?
Hi.
You good?
So let's inhale for a count of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's sip in a little more air. Hold it. Exhale at a comfortable pace.
Sun's shining, it's a beautiful day, and we've had a load of people, really inspiring people, telling us their stories, what they do to create content on Facebook. Really inspiring day, and I'm just going to show you a little bit around this gorgeous place, Calamigos Ranch, in this scorching sunlight. Beautiful vineyard, lovely trees, lots of stuff going on over there, got some DJ decks over here. We had a load of really inspiring creators on that stage telling us their top tips. Everyone started doing things because everyone's in different little tents, so we're going to go and find out. We're going to go over there where we can make a GIF. That sounds like a good idea.
And what am I doing? Well, eating a cauliflower taco. Umami burger. So the guys that we were with from the conference earlier on, unfortunately, have made their own way elsewhere from where we're going.
I mean, I don't know where they went.
Yeah, not the best. I don't know. We're going to Umami Burger to go and get Impossible Burger number 2. So we're at the Umami Burger here in LA, and look, they have this, the Impossible Patties. This is an Impossible Burger. This is the barbecue version. Let's see how it tastes. Smoky and spicy and meaty. It's got a really good bite to it. It's solid, it's dense. It's very, very satisfying. This is a very, very lovely burger. Yum.
Wow, I mean that is incredible. You know we're living in the modern day and age when you can eat a burger like that is made from nothing but plants. If you haven't tried the Impossible Burger, I urge you to go. This one, delicious, with truffles, with aioli, and that amazing umami flavour. BOSH. Man, we were just filming the intro and then the chips fell off the car onto the floor. I'm so sad right now. Guys, we hope you've enjoyed the video. Sorry, we lost a bit of the audio at the end. We're still trying to work out this whole technology, photography, vlogging thing. But needless to say, that burger was incredible. That was the Impossible Burger. I'm eating the Beyond Burger. Let us know what burgers you guys like down in the comments below. What are your favourite spots to eat in LA? And obviously subscribe if you're not already. And we'll see you tomorrow.